How you doing? Dave Qukslvr here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Comica CVM-VM10-K2 microphone system when we come back. Just from first looks at the box, looks pretty cool. Looks very nice, like they spent a lot of time on the design of the box, the graphics. Does have some main features on the back here. It combines audio and video, provide a better shooting experience, which I'm sure it does. And versatile handheld smartphone clamp, professional mic, a cardioid pattern, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that cardioid pattern, which is something I've been looking forward to, testing this mic out for my horseshoe videos. So we'll get in that too. This is extendable and flexible combination, and it has a bottom quarter inch external screw port for extended connection, and it says it's solid and durable. The super cardioid is what I'm really excited about, and what that does is it takes a lot of the information or a lot of the audio sound in front of the microphone and less behind the microphone. So let's get into this. Okay. So as soon as we open up the box, got this really nice carrying case, and it's very light. So if you're going to be holding this all day, it's main key, and the whole case is light. So okay, so let's get into this package. We have a warranty card. Very nice, nice card that says thank you for your purchase. You have the user's manual, which I think this is pretty straightforward, so we can get into that if it need be. Here we have the tripod, also doubles as a handle. Next, we have the phone mount. This is very, very solid. And you have the cold shoe mount on top and the tripod mount on the bottom here. So we'll get into that. So I like about that is it's very, very solid on that. So we got these two items for now. We have a dead cat, which I thought in a few of the other videos I've seen for other reviews that you had to buy that separate. This one comes with it. And then we have the adapter for the microphone. And last but not least, we have the microphone with the cold shoe mount and the dampener. So let's put it all together, see what she looks like and how she sounds. Here we are, all walking outside with this, doing the test outside. It's got a little bits of wind. You can see the trees moving just ever so slightly, and I think that would be enough for the iPhones to be getting a little scratch over their mics where you can hear the wind. So this will be not the greatest test, but a good test for the foam microphone. And I don't believe that it's that windy that I need the dead cat on it. So if the microphone works really good with just the foam on here, that's a pretty good test on that. I do have times where I'm throwing horseshoes outside and I will need the dead cat. Gets a little windy and definitely would need that on there. But for now, I'm sure that this is far cry better than actually having the normal iPhone mic just bare to the wind. This whole system looks really cool, so I'm loving it so far. And I already did a little test, and the audio was awesome. Loving the audio. All right, so the next test will be I'm going to an indoor horseshoe club, and we will test the microphone over there and see how it picks up ambient noises and my voice from distances that it'll average right around 20 feet, 20 to 30 feet. So thanks for watching if you stayed to this point, and stay tuned to the horseshoe test. Thanks. How you doing? This is Qukslvr, and we are at the Beloit Horseshoe Club, indoor horseshoes, and we're going to test the directional microphone. Hopefully the capabilities are capturing all the sound here, and hopefully keeping the sound out behind the mic, just like it states. So we'll see. So what I'll be doing is I'll be killing the audio depending on which side I'm on, so you can actually see the difference, and I'll let you know that when I'm doing that. Okay? So here we go. This is the first test. So this is basically how loud I talk to my partner. My partner can hear me from here. So this is my normal vocal tone. Okay. Now we'll see, as I'm talking, you'll see how the sound cuts out. And I haven't changed my tone. I'm still talking in the exact same tone. So this sound is the normal phone. And you'll be able to tell as I come in front of the phone with the Comica mic, big difference.